HD Interiors fans, hello everybody, and welcome back to your channel. Welcome to a space where style meets functionality, where kitchens are designed not just for cooking, but for living, gathering, and enjoying every moment. In today's video, we're diving into inspiring kitchen ideas that combine beauty with practicality. From innovative layouts to stunning cabinet designs and timeless color palettes, every detail is thoughtfully curated to elevate your home. Whether you're renovating or simply looking for fresh inspiration, these design trends are made to last and adapt to your personal style. Let's explore what makes a kitchen truly stand out. There's something instantly refreshing about a kitchen that feels open and full of light. One of the most impactful ways to achieve this is by embracing an open layout, where the kitchen seamlessly connects to the dining or living space. It creates a natural flow, encourages conversation, and makes the entire area feel more spacious. Removing bulky upper cabinets and replacing them with open shelves or leaving some walls bare allows for more breathing room. Glass partitions or wide entryways can maintain a sense of division without closing things off. Even in smaller homes, clever design choices like continuous flooring, minimal visual barriers, and reflective surfaces can open things up dramatically. This kind of layout isn't just about aesthetics, it's about how the kitchen becomes part of everyday living. Whether you're entertaining friends or helping kids with homework while cooking dinner, open kitchens keep everyone connected. A kitchen island can do so much more than offer extra counter space, it can be the star of the entire room. Statement islands are bold, functional, and beautifully designed to anchor the kitchen visually and practically. They serve as prep zones, casual dining areas, storage hubs, and even social gathering spots. What sets these islands apart is their individuality. Think oversized designs with eye-catching countertops like marble or quartz, cascading waterfall edges, or unique materials that contrast with the surrounding cabinetry. Some feature integrated appliances, custom lighting above, or seating wrapped around multiple sides for a more communal feel. Designers are also playing with shape, rounded corners, asymmetrical edges, or dual-height surfaces make the island feel less predictable and more sculptural. It's a place that draws people in and invites them to stay a while. Whether minimalist or dramatic, a statement island gives the kitchen its identity. When it comes to combining sleek design with smart storage, floor-to-ceiling cabinetry stands out. These full-height cabinets not only make a bold visual impact but also offer incredible functionality by utilizing every inch of vertical space. They eliminate the awkward gap above traditional cabinets and give the kitchen a clean, tailored look. This approach is ideal for both large and compact kitchens. In spacious layouts, it creates symmetry and a sense of grandeur. In smaller spaces, it maximizes storage without cluttering the room. The key is in the design. Flat panel doors, integrated handles, or push-to-open systems keep everything looking seamless and modern. Choosing a single tone or wood finish across the entire wall enhances the visual continuity, while mixing in open shelves or glass front sections can break up the height and add interest. It's an elegant solution that blends style with purpose, making the kitchen feel organized, grounded, and refined. Bringing different materials together in the kitchen is a subtle way to add depth, character, and personality to the space. Rather than sticking to a single surface or finish, designers are now blending textures, wood with metal, stone with glass, matte finishes with polished ones, to create a layered, thoughtful look. Imagine a warm oak cabinet paired with sleek black hardware, or a marble countertop resting against a tiled backsplash with handmade texture. Even mixing cabinet finishes, like light uppers and darker lowers, adds contrast without overwhelming the space. These combinations give the kitchen a curated, collected over time feel rather than something straight from a catalog. The key is balance. Too many materials can feel chaotic, but when done right, the mix feels intentional and modern. It's a design approach that invites creativity and allows each kitchen to feel one of a kind, tailored to both aesthetic and lifestyle. There's a growing shift toward kitchens that feel calm, grounded, and inviting, and warm, natural color palettes are leading the way. Soft tones like creamy whites, gentle taupes, sand, clay, and muted grays create a soothing backdrop that instantly makes the space feel more livable. These colors work beautifully with natural materials like wood, rattan, and stone, enhancing the organic feel of the kitchen. They also adapt well to different lighting conditions, making the space feel warm and welcoming throughout the day. Whether paired with minimalist lines or layered with texture, these tones bring an effortless elegance. What's great about these palettes is their versatility. You can keep things quiet and monochromatic, or you can introduce accent colors through accessories, backsplashes, or even a bold kitchen island. It's a timeless approach that doesn't chase trends, it simply feels right, day after day. Dark cabinetry has a way of instantly transforming a kitchen into something dramatic, luxurious, and deeply stylish. Shades like charcoal, navy blue, forest green, or even matte black bring richness and sophistication to the space without feeling overwhelming, especially when balanced with the right materials and lighting. These bold colors create depth and contrast, especially when paired with lighter countertops, brass or gold hardware, or natural wood elements. The result is a balanced composition that feels refined and modern. In well-lit kitchens, darker tones absorb just enough light to feel cozy without being too heavy. For those who want to make a statement while keeping things grounded, dark cabinetry is a powerful design choice. Whether used throughout the entire kitchen or as an accent, like on a kitchen island or a single wall, it adds character and timeless appeal. It's bold, but never out of place. A beautiful kitchen isn't just about what's visible, it's also about what's cleverly tucked away. Smart Smart storage solutions and hidden features are transforming how kitchens function, making them more efficient, organized, and clutter-free without sacrificing style. Think pull-out spice racks that slide seamlessly beside the oven, deep drawers with built-in dividers for pots and pans, or hidden compartments behind touch-to-open panels. Appliance garages keep everyday items like toasters and coffee machines out of sight, while custom drawer inserts make utensils and tools easy to find at a glance. Even the corners are being reimagined. Lazy Susans, swing-out shelves, and vertical pull-outs make those hard-to-reach spaces work harder. These thoughtful details create a smoother cooking experience and help maintain a clean, minimalist aesthetic. It's not just storage, it's smart design that adapts to real life, where everything has its place, yet nothing feels overdesigned. Lighting has evolved from a practical necessity to a key design element in the kitchen. Integrated lighting brings function and atmosphere together, enhancing every detail of the space while creating a warm, welcoming mood. Under cabinet lighting brightens up countertops for food prep, while adding a soft glow that makes the kitchen feel more inviting in the evening. Recessed ceiling lights provide even illumination without visual clutter, and well-placed pendant lights over an island can act as both task lighting and a design statement. What makes this approach so effective is the layering, multiple sources working together to highlight different zones and features. Even inside drawers and cabinets, small LED strips are being used to make everyday access easier. The result is a kitchen that looks just as good as it performs. Integrated lighting doesn't shout for attention, it quietly elevates everything around it, adding depth, dimension, and a sense of calm sophistication. One of the most elegant shifts in kitchen design is the move towards seamless backsplashes that extend directly from the countertop. Instead of traditional tile or segmented materials, a single slab of stone, quartz, or other surface material continues up the wall, creating a unified, uninterrupted look. This approach feels both modern and luxurious. It draws the eye upward, adds visual flow, and simplifies maintenance. No grout lines, no visual breaks. Whether it's a soft-veined marble or a sleek matte quartz, the seamless transition between countertop and backsplash adds an understated sophistication to the kitchen. It also works beautifully with minimalist cabinetry and integrated lighting, allowing the materials themselves to take center stage. Clean lines, cohesive surfaces, and subtle textures all contribute to a kitchen that feels calm, polished, and effortlessly refined. The most memorable kitchens are the ones that reflect personality. Adding custom elements and personal touches makes the space feel truly yours. This can be as simple as displaying handcrafted pottery on open shelves, incorporating a vintage light fixture, or choosing cabinet hardware that feels unique. Custom-built features like a coffee nook, a built-in wine rack, or a bookshelf for cookbooks can make the kitchen both functional and deeply personal. Even a pop of unexpected color inside a drawer or a signature backsplash tile can bring joy every time you use the space. Personal touches also create emotional connection. They turn a well-designed kitchen into a lived-in, loved space that tells your story without saying a word. After all, it's not just about how your kitchen looks, it's about how it makes you feel. A thoughtfully designed kitchen is more than just a place to prepare meals, it's the heart of the home. From open layouts and statement islands to smart storage, rich colors, and personal touches, each design idea shared today has the power to transform your space into something functional, beautiful, and uniquely yours. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just refreshing a few elements, these timeless trends offer inspiration that fits every style and lifestyle. The best kitchens aren't defined by trends alone, they're shaped by the people who use them and the stories they hold. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share your favorite idea in the comments. We'd love to hear what resonated with you. And for more interior design inspiration, make sure to subscribe to HD Interiors and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching.